The government is finally reopened after weeks of being shut down. However, the shutdown has left impacts on health care in the North Coast. The Northstate's News' Vianna King spoke with medical professionals at Providence St. Joseph Hospital in Eureka today. She joins us now live with the impacts patients are still facing. Vianna?
Ariana, I spoke to two medical chief officers who tell me they're seeing more cancellations on the telehealth side rather than the hospital and the emergency room. The longest government shutdown in U.S. history is officially over after President Trump signed a bill passed by Congress on Wednesday night. The federal government is reopening. However, after 43 days on pause, things may not return to business as usual right away. Providence St. Joseph says Medicare patients who rely on telehealth services to see their doctor are being forced to either pay out of pocket or virtual visits or forego appointments entirely.
I know that roughly 10 to 15% of our clinic visits as a whole were being conducted virtually by telehealth prior to the government shutdown. After the government shutdown, I haven't seen statistics, but I know it was dramatically less.
Providence in Humboldt County serves roughly 75% of patients on Medi-Cal or Medicare. They say outpatient clinics are experiencing many cancellations for appointments or no-shows as well.
What's happened is some folks who need urgent care are deferring it because of this uncertainty, and that leads to a lot of anxiety, both on the part of our clinicians and on the part of patients who are wondering whether they might be responsible for out-of-pocket costs.
According to a chief medical officer with Providence St. Joseph in Eureka, the hospitals luckily aren't experiencing many impacts.
Did not affect any of the telehealth services in the hospital. We use a number of those services here.
Hospital leaders say it's still really early to tell what impacts are still to come for the next few months.
Next year, I mean, obviously there's still a lot of questions about, about Medicaid. And I think, Providence is currently navigating that situation.
Live in Eureka, Vianna King, the Northstate News.